everybody, it's your girl Sparkle and Shine coming back to you today with another video. I'd like to say welcome, welcome, welcome to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel, and to all of my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I am so glad that you decided to take some time out of your day to view my video. So as you can see, this is going to be an unboxing. Babla Bags reached out to me and asked me to review a bag on my channel, and I agree. This is not my endorsement or a promotion. I'm not paid to do the promotion at all. It's just an unboxing and a display of what I received. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here's the box that it came in. It came with this ribbon tied to it. I'm going to show you the reverse of the box. It's a pretty nice box. Also, but on the back it was damaged on the back. I guess that happened during shipping. But let me just review what is in here. So here's the paper. Let me just show you everything, how it came. That's the paper that was in the bag or in the box. And here is the item. I'm going to take this out and show you what's in here. So has the dust bag, as you can see, and then here is the bag. And I'm just going to take everything out. This is how it looks in the inside of here. So I'm going to take everything out. Here's the side of the bag, the back of the bag, the other side, and here's the bottom. It does have feet on the bottom. It has these little silicone covers on the bottom, so I took those off. So that's the bottom, and as you can see, it has this on there. It was packaged very well. And here is package insert. I'll take these out. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a bad odor in here either. And I'll take this off. It looks like it was packaged very well. Even on the snap closure right here, it had this little protection, plastic protection. So that's a nice thing. And then on the zipper pull, it also had this protection on there. So, and as you can see on, it has these buckles that are covered as well. So let me just take that off. It's a little silicone protecting the buckles. And then the strap. Here's the strap. Get this out of the foam protection. Oh, this is a nice strap. Look how wide it is right there. Very nice. I love that. And let me just put this on the bag to see how it looks. I put it, I didn't put it in the shortest setting. I still have two other holes I could put it in. I just wanted to get it attached to the bag itself so that you can see what it looks like. So that's on that side, and then I didn't attach it as long on this side, but that's how it is. It has this zipper pocket in the back, and it has the tie. I think this is the MM Carryall replica. And that's how it ties in the top. But it also has a snap closure. And then it has this pouch. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is nice too. Let's see what the inside looks like. It's like overall, it's a nice bag from Babala Bag Co. So I'll put, I have a discount code, and a link to the bag will be in the description. But that's the bag. So I don't know if there was supposed to be something on here. I don't have any kind of, I didn't see any kind. Oh, there is a strap here. So let me attach this strap to here because I didn't see this at first. So let's attach this. It just goes through here like that, and then attaches to here. And here's the strap. Now I don't know if I have this on correctly. I don't think I do, because it just, as you can see, oh, I see. I think I have to put it through here, and then through here, and then attach it. Maybe. I don't know, but I'll figure that part out. But I just wanted to show you how the bag came. So this is the little strap for the pouch, and then here is the bag itself. Overall, I would say it's a very good dupe. So I'm just gonna, as far as dupes go, I'm just gonna attach it to here. Try to make this look more the aesthetic. It's a very nice dupe. I was happy that they reached out to me to show this bag on my channel, and I will, as I said before, I will put all the information for this bag in my description. I'll put the discount code in the description as well, and hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. So I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, I just wanted to come back on right quick and show you this was also included in the box. This information right here was included in the box, and this card right here. There's a glare from my ring light, and then also this booklet. So this is all that was in the box, and this is all that was included in the box from Babala Bags. Thanks for watching, and remember, never let anyone take away your sparkle or dull your shine.